Hey, YouTube family. So, with only 30 minutes until New York Open, I do want to jump in and sort of prepare you guys for the week ahead, kind of show you guys what I am looking for and what I am looking at. So, first things first, guys, if you have not made your deposits into your Hinko Trade account, you might want to do that using my link while the offer still stands to add some money onto your initial deposit. It's an amazing offer, guys, and I find that trading on the platform is extremely easy and you guys would love it. So go. While US30 is in a premium area, I'm always down in discount looking for an opportunity. Rather than chasing price, guys, give yourself some time to always go down and check out your next opportunity, right? You can even be in a buy, but always look to see what price is left behind. So these little areas where we kind of go sideways for a little bit are really important because it lets me know that there is a lot of volume in these particular areas. Price has come into this area and kind of stood still and went sideways for a little bit before continuing higher. So these areas show me that there are volume in this area. So here was my area of interest. And I said to myself, well, first things first, US30, if it's going to come back down or when it's ready, I'm not going to chase price down. I'd first be interested in price taking out this high and then possibly breaking structure, giving a retest, and coming down into this area. That was my TP on the sell. So if you guys are following me, try to go and check out my YouTube shorts. Every single day I try to upload a short little video just highlighting the progress of my trade. And you'd see that on Friday. I was in a very bearish market and it went well, extremely well. I'm also posting my daily setups, trades or the progress of my trades on my Instagram stories as well. So let's get back to the video. So of course, US30, let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Of course, US30 was retracing just a little bit. Eventually, we came up and took out that high. There we go. We took the high out. And then the next thing that we did was we broke structure. And at that point, we'd wait for some type of retest. I believe this entry was on the 1-minute time frame right here. So sometimes it doesn't go, a lot of times it doesn't go back to your area of interest that you're waiting for. It could have been this OB right up here, but the smaller time frame will always give you an entry. And here was my take profit right here. And that is where we actually closed the week, which I'll show you guys. So price did continue down. And we ended the week in this area. And now we're kind of just hanging around above that particular area. I'll go back to the 1 hour and you'll see that from that area, we're making higher highs, higher lows, actually. We haven't yet broke this high. So if I'm going to continue up and take this trade up, this would be my area of interest where I'm interested in getting out. Of course, you want to pay attention to premium and discount. And I'm also going to show you guys my fib setting. A lot of you did ask. So here's a swing high and swing low. And here's my setting. I only have the 0, the 1, and the 0.5. And if you want your fib extended to the right, you can simply click extend to the right. But I realize that I'm not really too big on that extension. So if I'm going to participate in price today, I am bullish as it stands right at this moment, but I do understand that on the daily time frame, we have not yet reached a discount area, right? We can also go ahead and do that swing high and swing low for the daily time frame, and you'd see that we have not yet reached this discount on the daily, right? So price could either use this particular area to push up and continue down into discount. I don't really like to go too far ahead. I just like to take it one day at a time. Understanding your analysis is beautiful, right? Because you can have a setup for the entire week, but you don't want to jump too far ahead where you start planning your trades for what has not even happened yet. So before price opened this morning, for 9:30, excuse me. We didn't have any news today. I did go ahead before price even came back to this particular area. I did no, that was on the 15-minute time frame. I did notice that we had a supply right here. So I've been watching the charts for just a few, and we did eventually come back up into this area. So now I'm curious to see if we're gonna take out some sell side liquidity down here. We're down in discount, so I'm not really interested in taking sells. But you could very well have taken a sell. And on the 5 minute, here was an OB right here. So price came and took out some buy side liquidity, tapped into this OB, and that's pretty much where we are now. We are still making higher lows, so I'm not interested in selling. I want to see if price is actually going to make its way back down to this particular area here, and if we're going to buy up, and I could maybe take price from that area possibly here. So that's what I'm looking at. Of course, I have a few minutes to put my analysis together. So that's what I'm about to do. But I just wanted to drop in on you guys and kind of give you guys an insight on what I'm looking at. Of course, guys, if we break this particular level and we go lower, we do still have that daily time frame discount. That I was mentioning earlier. So price could go either way. Simply pay attention, wait for your breaks of structure. If you want to take price up, wait for a break of structure to the upside, which is more ideal for me. We want to break structure to the upside and retest. But if price breaks structure to the downside, you also want to wait for a retest before you push that button. So good luck, guys. And I'll try to drop in a few more times this week. Don't forget to check out my shorts.